Well, hey guys, welcome back again to the #1 YouTube channel for the best online tricks and tutorials. So guys, today I just discovered that Lootup offer Theorem. So, but you can't just see it. You cannot just the Theorem panel. It's very well hidden. You can't just see it on the normal survey panel. So let me show you how to find the Theorem research on Lootup. So what you do, just log in. After logging into your account, the page is going to load. I just discovered it after finishing my first video review, the one which I posted earlier. But now, I decided to do another one now to show you how to get the Theorem. I know many people like Theorem research because of having a lot of sample ratio. So, once you come to this page, click here. Click here. Take surveys. Click take surveys. Take surveys, let it load. This is a very short video because I'm just showing where it is. After creating take surveys, you just scroll down. Not this page, sorry. On this page, let's click here. Lootup, the earning icon. Sorry. Until you see this dashboard. If you can see your Lootup, if you click earn here, the dollar amount, the dollar person holding $1, a hand holding $1, to come to this page where you can see your Lootup earnings tracker. When you're on this page now, scroll down. You just scroll down. You pass all these watch videos, complete offers, sign up offers. Just scroll down. Scroll down here now until you come to the offer wars. When you're on offer wars, click review. Just click review. And you find that they have Cpx surveys and they have Theorem surveys. So once you're here, just scroll down. Also, this one is take. They also have this one. Take the quick questionnaire. Leave that one out. I want to show you they have how to find. Now you just scroll down on review offer wall. Scroll down. You're going to see, first of all, you're going to see this one now. Take surveys. You see they have Cpx research. This is Cpx. To load for you guys, but these panels you cannot see them on the on the original dashboard of Lootup. You have to come through the revenue universe. You see, this is Cpx registration. Let's retrieve it there. Then just scroll down. I think it's the last part. Up to the last part. Yeah. You see, this is Theorem now. It's on the last page. You see, Theorem. Just click on it, and you work on your Theorem and on your Theorem reach surveys. You see, I have not registered on it yet, so I just wanted to show you guys. I just discovered it and I decided to show you guys how to get it. So just come here, click agree, and you complete your profile, and you can do your Theorem reach surveys. So that's how you find Theorem reach and Cpx surveys. That's how you find Theorem reach and Cpx surveys on Lootup. Thank you for watching, guys.